I'ma just drive my Granada in circles, 'cause there's nothing else to do that I feel like doing. Well, that thing just purrs. So it automatically, if you wait long enough, it automatically kicks down.
Yeah.
So that thing went from like what, 1200 RPM to whatever this is, probably 800. No tachometer. Hey, it was the 1980s. We don't bother people with such things as knowing what your engine is doing.
Yeah. Especially if like a small spot.
Yeah. Yeah, all you get is a fuel gauge. And then let's see. We got a check engine light. We got a battery light. A seatbelt light. And I don't know what the hell this one is. Do you, Dave? It looks like a... Sorry. It looks like a circle with like 2 circles in it. You see?
High beams?
Oh, yeah. Oh, geez, I turned the wipers
Yeah,
on.
those work.
Yeah, how'd I do that?
Oh.
What the fuck did I do? Oh, it's a stick that moves up and down on this car. High beams. Oh no, that's
No,
over there.
I don't know what that is.
Huh.
No idea what that is.
Look at the stereo. This is definitely original. This is cool.
Choke is still kind of on.
Yeah, I can feel it starting to run a little rougher. As it's warming up, it's running a little rougher because it's not opening like it should. Oh, we got front speakers. Wow, I think all 4 speakers actually work. Inside the Granada. I'm trying to figure out. Alright, let's see. This is on heat. I have a feeling that like ducting may be missing from this. Because there's vaguely heat in here. But nothing does what.
Oh, if you
the
look through
panel
this with
says.
a light, there's nothing there. It's a hole.
So it is. Oh, that's a duct. This is a hole, I think.
These don't really do.
None of these do anything. Okay, it's vent. That's obviously not working. Air conditioning feels like it does nothing. Yeah, I think it's like heat just vaguely comes out of this one side vent.
Yeah. You ripped this dash part anyway, so.
Yeah?
I find a nice one for
Yeah. I was thinking, I could just put a dash carpet on it.
it. Don't touch it.
Oh, yeah. Put a dash carpet on this.
Shoot this one out.
Nice. Oh, there we go. Got a dome light. Bobblehead dog.
Your singular squirter.
Oh yeah. Should we try that?
Sure.
I think I pull it. Oh my god!
And the wipers don't come on.
You have to automatically. You have to manually turn the. I guess you're supposed to turn them on and then do this.
That's cool.
You know, it had intermittent wipers as an option, and this car does not have that. Whoa, you got a mirror, huh? What do I get? Nothing. Yeah, this headliner's pretty annoying.
This is coming out here.
Was it? Oh, the headliner material? Oh, yeah, look at that.
Surrounded in luxurious vinyl.
Yes. Need a way to hold this fucking thing up.
This had cloth seats, huh?
Yeah, let me take a look at the back. It's comfortable.
This car's interior smells like a cross between my BLT and my Monte Carlo.
Ah, some leg room here.
Nice. Look at that.
Oh, the carpet's ripped.
Yeah.
Huh. Look at this. Look at the. Look at the. I can't even get
Man,
this.
such leg room. It's
Ah.
non-adjustable bench.
Here, show how roomy this is. Huh? I don't even think this is back all the way. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a comfortable car.
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'll tell you. Jeez, my head's hitting the freaking roof. I can't even sit up straight in this.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Got an ashtray though. Oh god.
Granada, built for the quality-conscious buyer of the 80s.